Let me see if it's...
Hi guys, I'm here with Woody.
Then Daddy can put it on the computer, okay?
And today, we are doing a hot sauce challenge again. This time, I'm gonna use some salt. What the?
No mess. Hey! No mess.
There's nothing in it.
It's pepper. Yeah.
But I'm such a
No
bum.
messes, okay?
We're gonna do it with salt. We're gonna do this again. Is my tracker. Okay. And I know you guys don't know who I am. Oh, chocolates. Before I had to do this, I wanted chocolate. Mom, can I have a chocolate?
Come on.
Alright. Okay. I put them on the table always. Alright. Oh, so, damn it, I forgot a spoon! This spoon and all right, let's do this. Damn it, I forgot to go pee. Harry, I'm Woody. Don't tell them. Don't tell them. You're right, don't tell them. I'm back. Huh? What, Woody? Woody? What are you here? Yeah. Alright. Hey Mom, come over here. Come over here.
Well, I'm doing things, babe. I gotta go to the laundry room. Why? What's up?
Look.
What's up, Maurice? Be right there, okay? 1 minute.
If you use oranges. This is the 3rd episode of the hot sauce challenge. I'm gonna drink it from the...
Yeah, just a minute. Be right there.
Never mind, I'm not gonna drink it from that. You know how disgusting that will be? Me drinking that? See how hot it is? No, you see how much? See? Let's do this. Ah! Ah! Ah!
Hey, I said I'm coming.
Oh.
What happened? Hot, you hot?
No,
Ready?
I put a big full.
Doing great? Well, that's a challenge. When it's a challenge, what you do? You do it.
You do it.
No thanks.
Yes.
No thanks. You're the one who's doing the challenge.
All right, so I
You want a
want
cracker? You want a cracker?
cracker. Okay. Oh.
Well, you said you want to do it.
Then why blood in
You
it.
have to be strong to do the challenge, right?
I will. I'll do it for Donald Trump. Oh, thanks. Alright.
You need the light on?
Yeah. I'm doing it already.
Okay.
If you don't even know, I am. Alright,
Are
let's
you
do
showing
this.
me how you're gonna do this? 1, 2, 3. Well, if it's a challenge, you gotta do it, right? Come on.
I got a little bit on me.
It's better this
Hey,
way.
what are you doing?
Well, it's better to do this way. Alright, do the challenge.
I'm gonna do it with salt. You want me?
Well, you can add salt to it.
Does it make it more hotter?
Makes it more hot. Not too much salt. It's not good for you.
I'm so scared.
Okay, you can do it.
Wait, I
One.
didn't have my vitamins.
You did.
Oh, I didn't? Oh, yeah, I did.
1, 2, 3. Come on, be strong.
Why do you don't have to do
Well,
it?
you're the one who's doing the challenge. Come on. And then when Daddy wakes up, he's gonna put it into. Did you do it? Here, cracker. Cracker.
Ah,
Cracker, cracker.
okay.